This may be my last video for the day before I have to switch the battery.
Oh no.
Or honestly, I may not. Well, does it? If it dies mid-video, does it save that video?
Yeah.
And then it just stops?
It saves the video as it's doing. As it's recording.
Oh, yep. It may be dark tonight.
Alright, so we're gonna go down the hill to that other lift.
This one?
Yeah, so watch your left-hand side.
Okay, right, go down.
Yeah, people get out over there and they'll try to figure out what they're gonna do and make a decision. Okay. Nice and easy. All right, right-hand side or left-hand side? How we doing?
Are we live?
Oh yeah.
Woo! Wow!
Yeehaw! You good?
Yep.
All right.
Let's do it. Huh.
So this one, I want to say this one. You did not have the safety, and it was like a shoot. Maybe it's always a third person.
Is it 3 person?
Yeah.
Well, small for 3.
Yeah. Basher is one of the 2.
I feel like I want to take a fireball shot at the top of the mountain.
You would not be the first, and probably not the last.
Well, I did it last time, and then one of my girlfriends was too messed up to like reasonably get down.
Get down the.
She's like, I'm fine.
She had
Tree.
more than one fireball shot at the top of the mountain.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
We were like sitting there like taking pictures and just
It's
like
okay to like
chatting.
have a fireball shot at the top of the mountain.
She was literally shooting them back. She must have had 4 like back to back. And then we're just sitting taking pics. She's like, all right, let's go. We're like, you're never the one to want to go first. We're like, are you okay? She's like, I'm good. Tree collision, and that was the end.
That's how it usually happens. Yeah, they cleared this back because this used to be a lot tighter.
Really? I'm actually glad there's a lot of powder today because I'm
softer.
No, I'm gonna figure it out.
Oh, I almost wrecked one. Couple times right there.
Why don't I have literally a compilation of videos of me falling? I think like 7 of them. No, not that many. It's like 5.
I bet that you're gonna have some videos, unintentionally have videos of me almost falling. Because there was one where I was like up on one ski.
Flowing, but on.
Unintentionally, yeah.
My dad is so good at water skiing, and he's flowing, like that's how he does it. Absolutely insane to me. Because when I was like 13 or 14, he tried to teach me how to kick off ski and like do it. I can water ski, like not great. Like I can be outside the wake, but like wavy, like no.
Crossing the wake is a problem.
It's not even crossing the wake, like it's early morning at like 7 a.m. No problem, it's like smooth.
Because it's glassy, yeah.
Yeah, but then the second it's past 9 a.m. I'm doing this anymore.
Good lord. You're a monster.
That's huge. These.
Oh yeah.
I just know we're gonna see a moose.
If we see a moose, I'd rather it be
Well, right here.
like, yeah, from up here. Not. I would be careful about what you get out of your pockets.
Like making sure from here, I'm not that rapid.
I've seen too many people that are like playing with their phones and then drop them off the ski lift. And I'm like, oh,
Yep.
well, that's gone. Because unless it's like flat, can you imagine like your phone? It's like upright, but it looks just like now you've got a 3.5 or 4 inch wide by half inch.
And it's
Into this, I mean,
it's so
10 feet of snow.
They go all the way down.
I think that's gone now. Where's your phone? Oh, there. What do you mean up there? It's, I sacrificed it to the mountain.
Yeah, no, there's no shot. You got it off. Seems a fun thing. I wish I got to experience it once. Like just try it.
Yeah?
It's like so surreal.
Yeah, too many people get too wound up about it. Let's just kick back and enjoy it. Boulevard will be where there's a. I'll show you. There's a. Well, shit, maybe now. There is a picnic table and like a lookout point up there. You can like stop and look at everything. Maybe some snow you may not be able to see.
Good lord.
I just thought about that. I was like, it may be under 4 foot of snow. Ugh. All right. So this is the rendezvous. That I was saying that's like a lunch spot that people can go to.
Looks like a kid area.
So we're technically on South Peak Flats here, and what we're gonna run is Broadway, which is where everybody's going.
All right. Sounds great to me.
I don't understand.
I cannot believe I got my ski back on right there where we were.
Oh yeah, back there on that corner.
Yeah, whenever I ate it,
Yeah.
I thought there was no shot. It was so freaking deep. And I have to keep picking my ski up because the second I tried one time that was too far down, you only got one shot, one and done. And that's when I started praying. I was like, oh no. He can't get back up to me.
Did you hear my "that's what she said" joke?
Oh, I heard.
Did you
The
see
GoPro heard it too.
did you see the girl next to you that was laughing as she came by you?
Wait, no.
Yeah.
That's funny. Oh man, there's a snow NATO. A little tornado of snow. Yeah,
No.
it made you see the snow in my eye.
I see flurries. Just tracking along over there, huh? It's nice and smooth. We started working on hand signals. Oh! On your right. Oh wow, that's speeding up real fast. Yeah, how you doing? This is probably a little more like what you're used to skiing, huh? A little more like what you're used to skiing? A little harder packed? Oh, thank you. It's not. So this is that spot I was telling you about.